This is a Forney 242 Dual Mig machine. Now it's a MIG welder with 240 amps of power, but it has a second port allowing you to attach a spool gun and quickly switch back and forth between welding aluminum and welding steel. Now here's a quick breakdown of the specs. 240 amps of power means you can weld up to 3/8 inch thick material on a single pass, but you can also dial it back and weld as thin as 24 gauge. This machine takes wire anywhere between 0.23 and 0.45, basically making it a great all-around multi-purpose machine to have in your shop. Now, it also has a 15-foot welding lead and a 15-foot power cord, meaning you can plug this thing into the wall and reach just about anywhere in the shop. One neat feature on the Forney 242 Dual Mig is the built-in spot weld timer. With a dial set to the desired time, you can make repeated spot welds exactly the same size, which is handy for mock-up work or sheet metal repair. To install the spool gun for aluminum fabrication, simply line up the pins on the Euro-style connector and twist the collar to lock it in place, and attach the wire speed control and flip the mode switch. The wire loads up just like a normal MIG machine by threading the wire through the drive, feeding some extra through, attaching the contact tip and shield, and then the spool gun can be closed up. From there, you can lay down a weld bead just like you would with mild steel, and without the complexity of AC TIG welding. With just a little bit of practice, you can lay down a really clean looking bead on aluminum using the spool gun on the Dual 242 MIG. It's actually a really good multi-purpose machine to have around your shop because you can weld aluminum, you can weld stainless steel, since I've got 308 wire loaded up in the machine now, but you can also load up a flux core wire if you don't want to run a shielding gas. Now, all I have left to do is switch it back to MIG and I can burn in the rest of the exhaust.